Good morning, friend. I am Sagar Darvi, batch July 2021. Today's the date is 27th September 2021, and today I am going to explain one of the core UP concept, that is inheritance. Uh, Literature define inheritance is a mechanism of deriving new class from the existing class is called inheritance. The new or derived class is called child class or subclass, and the existing class is called parent class or superclass. There are various types of inheritance in Java. The first one is single inheritance, the second one is multi-level inheritance, third one is hierarchical inheritance, fourth one is multiple inheritance, which is not supported in Java. The fifth one is hybrid inheritance, sixth one is cyclic inheritance. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is single inheritance. In single inheritance, there is only one child and only one parent. Such a kind of inheritance is called as a single inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, the derived class has a parent, and the parent, which is itself is a child of another class. Means in multi-level inheritance, there is a relationship of grandfather, father, and child scenario. Such a kind of inheritance is called a multi-level inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there are two parent. There is one parent and two child. Such a kind of scenario is in hierarchical inheritance. In multiple inheritance, there are two parent and one child, but Java does not support multiple inheritance. Why is it so? Which is not supported in Java. Why is it so? Because in multiple inheritance, the ambiguity is get created for the compiler, and we can achieve multiple inheritance by using the interfaces that we will see later on. The next type of inheritance is a hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, there are a combination of single, multi-level, hierarchical inheritance is called hybrid inheritance. The next type of inheritance is cyclic inheritance. Means when C class is get inherited from the B, and when B is get inherited from the C, means here cycle is get created again. Cyclic inheritance is also not supported by the Java. Again, one important point regarding the inheritance is we know that a child class reference variable can hold the address of child object. Parent class reference variable can hold the parent class object. But very important point regarding inheritance is parent class reference variable can hold the child class object, but using the parent class reference variable, we can call only the method which are available to the parent class object. And very important point regarding inheritance is child class reference variable cannot child class reference variable cannot hold the object of parent class variable parent class object. Again, contradictory to the inheritance, there is a concept in final or final keyword in Java. Means whenever we declare any class as a final class, then inheritance of that class is not possible in Java. Again, whenever we declare any method as a final, then we cannot inherit that method in child class. And whenever we declare any data member as a final, then we cannot override that data member in child class. Means this final keyword is functionality opposite to the inheritance. So in this way, the biggest advantage of inheritance is inheritance provide the reusability in Java language. So this is all about the inheritance. That's it for today. We will meet in soon. Thank you.